What is going on with Spell token? The volume is going up, 58 million volume, 30% increase in volumes in the last 24 hours, but the price just keep being getting destroyed. What is going on? What can we expect from it? Is there anything? Well, we'll talk about that. We'll also talk about the Google Trends. All you gotta do is watch the video until the end. Something that I've noticed a few times is first, the most interest about Spell token is in Puerto Rico, which is not a bad thing because you might remember that Puerto Rico is kind of a tax heaven for people in the United States. So people from Sweden, Australia, United States, UK are interested in it. And the main interest we've had was on the 21st of March and 20, what was that? And I'll show you something interesting in the chart. And 3rd of April. So 21st of March and 3rd of April. Let me show you on the chart. 21st of March, we had it was when I started talking about Spell token. It was pretty much here, I believe. 21st of March was at the beginning of the pump, which I believe was the right time to acquire. You could have taken profits, just like when I stopped talking about it. This was the time to take profits, in my opinion, right here. And then a lot of people started researching it right here at the high. Normally, this is the wrong time to start researching about it because this is when sheep learn, and people that bought in here are already up 2x or 30% on a token with really good market cap and okay liquidity. Daily volume is definitely not that great according to DEX2s, but people don't buy it on DEX2s. If we go down to the Spell token on CoinMarketCap, you notice that most of the volume happens on Binance, and this is where I would buy. There's a link for Spell in the description down below. But a few things to note here for Spell token that I want to point out is that the market sentiment is bullish right now. Let me just show you a few things on trading view. Also open up in some indicators. We'll check the VWAP. And okay, here is the chart. Let's just type in Spell USDT. By the way, are you enjoying these videos? Because I'm doing a lot of news in the last few days, and I'll mention something about that as well in the end. So right now, here is what I think. I pretty much predicted this dip a while ago. Do you see these yellow lines? I made a video about Spell token a few weeks ago, and I said, guys, we're gonna dip to this, and this price. We pretty much nailed those. We were very close to this rate. The reason why I saw that was we also saw these highs, by the way, was mainly from my indicator. Have a link for the description down below. It's a probability indicator with support and resistance. We had a bearish divergence because we have lower volume, as you can see here, and now we're aiming for these highs. There is still hope though for Spell. What it needs to do is it definitely needs to hold this support right here. If it does not hold it, it will target the 00358 area. It will do that. It might add a 0. So this is something you should be careful. I would definitely have a stop loss here. If I believe in the project, I can rebuy here and save 10-20% of my money, or buy 10-20% more. If the idea is to have believe in a token long term, you might want to have more quantity of that set token. With that being said, let's check out the VWAP. VWAP is curving up right now. This is the yellow line right here. On the 3-hour chart, we are curving up. On the 1 hour, we're curving down. 15 minutes. Yeah, money flow is starting to be green on the 15-minute chart. I think we'll probably have a green day. We're already up 3%, so it might not add a 0. It might not delete the 0. I will be looking to buy the dip, I think, on the token at my price targets. I don't want to mention if I shorted it back in the top when I told you the targets, but I would have definitely taken profits by then. Let me know what you think. I didn't beg you for a like, I didn't beg you for a subscribe, and that's because I spent 14 hours yesterday creating content for you guys. We had 15 videos out yesterday. I'm probably gonna try to work for over 15 hours today to create 20 videos. It's gonna be very hard, but I'm doing this for you. If you want to learn about the hottest news tokens first and about crypto news in general, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. As you can see in the TV behind me, we're very close to 50,000 subscribers, which is cool. And if you like the video, it will help me out with the algorithm. The idea is that some of the videos, some of the news might not concern you, might not concern tokens that you're invested in, but I want to cover as much information for you guys, because you might not be invested in one project, but you might be invested in some other project, and I want to cover all of the projects I can. Thank you for being here. This video is no financial advice. Bye.